Hey, Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I was able to win February 1st right now. I'm actually okay where I am. Notice I've got two failures. I bought, I had a, um, what do you call that? Rebuy, reset. So 129 is the current EA. You can see it's high at 507. Boy, I'd like to keep on trading, but I'm happy at where I am right now. Um, anyway, so you see where it is, 448. So 1/6 of the way to qualifying this account. Trading the MNQ. I'm kind of, the purpose of this video is for a reason. I think this is a false breakdown, and this is why I want to talk about it. And I'm going to pause the video after I get done talking, and we'll see how it finishes up today. So up here at the 350 mark, let's go 350 right in here. Get my screen draw tool out. If the market gets back to roughly this area today, it should bust out. Why? Well, it's hit there a whole bunch of times, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Obviously, it's got to get there though, right? So it's been, it went through it and it sold off, so it didn't find much of anything, or the sell people came in and selling it off right now. But there's interest to get this above here. Why? Well, look how many times we've been there. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So our first attempt came at 3:30 roughly in the morning, and then again right here at 6 a.m. again at about almost 8 a.m. This one I'm not calling this one. This one was not. So you had a short signal on this one here, but then it comes back up through on this one. So this is the fourth time through here, and it didn't bust up through it. So now it's selling off. So the other side of this is if it doesn't break through the fourth time, then the sell-off happens. And God dang it, I caught some of it, but not a lot of it. This bar here, I waited for this bar to print. This bar came in, came down, came back up, and then took me out. This bar here kind of confused me, and then this one went too far too fast on me. So this doji bar, and then I'm thinking, all right, I thought we'd come back down to the VWAP, and when we went through it, and I'm trying to lower my entries. I'm trying desperately to be a better trader and looking at the 4-minute chart. Maybe there was a signal in the 1 minute. Let's look at 1 minute. I didn't look at 1 minute at the time. So it comes up through here, 10:30, and now you see the sell-off that's happened through here. I caught this move, by the way. I caught a lot of this move, and I caught some of this move coming down, but I didn't catch any of that right there. And this is, no, it doesn't really give you any helpful information here. It's hard to trade off the 1 minute, to be honest. So I'm using the 4 minute to help make decisions. They're coming down to the lows of the day now from the 9:30 session. I don't know if this is the overall low. Let's look. What does that say? 7,270. What did I write down as the low right now? I actually have it on my charts. Our low is 262, so it's close. Double bottom down here, 262. So if we go back, we're going to see 262. There's 262 right there. Is that 262? Yeah. So 262 came in at 2:10 in the morning roughly. I mean, I knew that, but I had to think about it for a second. Then we see the 4 o'clock hit, right? Then the 6 o'clock hit, the 8 o'clock hit, and then the 10:20, 10:05, 10:20, 10:12, and now we have the sell-off. 4 times it went up there. 4th time it tried to break through, it failed, and then I took the short on. So I was able to capture this move coming through here. I was able to capture this move going up. I believe that's the one I hit. I did not catch this one. This is the signal bar that came off. Actually, I caught this move. This is the move I caught. This move, I caught a little bit of this move and some of that move coming down. Of course, you don't make as much money trading non-contracts on the MNQ, right? It's 50 cents or $4.50 by 9 contracts, and I was able to get. I wasn't able to get any of them to go and hit my 3P target. They hit the 1.5P target, and then the other 4 were getting knocked out. So I wasn't able to get 3P or 6P at all today. Here's something interesting. Look what the I've had a bunch of trades today, but look at that right there, 834 and only 448. So the difference, I believe, is commission cost, right? So and that's a hell of a lot of trades. So I was adding to a position, winning position, 9, 18, 27, adding to winning positions, and I was able to pull out a little bit of money today. Trying not to add to a losing, actually not adding to a losing position. That's one of my big things that I'm not that I am doing here since I restarted my trading. Don't add to a loser. Add to a winning position is kind of my thought process right now. So some of them I had 27 contracts on. So that works out to be 450 times 3, was that 13 something? So 13 something to tick, and then a close stop behind it. So I was hoping to capture some more. One of the problems with Ninja though is once you have a trade on, unless you switch it to a different, so if you go 9, it doesn't go, I wish it does, it doesn't do what I want it to do. So it doesn't put in the 531. I think that's what I got right now. It doesn't put in the 531. It goes to the lowest target, so the 1.5. It throws all 9 at the 1.5 if you have existing trades on, which I really don't like that. So I have to kind of move it around. So I haven't figured out exactly how, but that's kind of frustrating at Ninja, that it doesn't fill in the way I want it to fill in again. Now it's got probably a setting that I'm missing, but it's kind of the thought process today. So the sell-off has happened. We got a triple bottom now, by the way. So it'll be interesting to see how this closes up today. Don't want to catch a falling knife though, right? All right, I'm going to pause here and see if there's anything to do. We'll talk in a little bit. All right, on those.
Stop failed.
Well, I finally got to 500. Tried to. All right, so what did I do? I guess I got a little too close. I kept trying to get in. I'm not convinced that it's going to go up, but I did see a green bar right here, and I took on a couple long setups. kept getting stopped out. Finally was able to capture a little bit of profit there. I just didn't trust the signal to stay with it. Watch it be the bottom there. Watch that be the frickin' bottom, and it'll go straight up now. Ugh. All right, let's pause. But I am up. I made a new account high too. 5555, and I'm at 5501. All right, I'm gonna pause.